You just listen to me, okay? Let's go stop. Okay. First I take people forward, then from the back, okay?
There's no one by which I can explain the happiness that how we feel today. It's just outstanding. It's amazing. Finally, we got a safe place. We got a safe life. So we are very happy.